Processor, FlowFile, connector, and the FlowFile controller. 4 essential concepts in NiFi, in Apache NiFi. Here you can see processor, FlowFile, connector, and FlowFile controller. 4 essential concepts in NiFi. To express your data flow in NiFi, you must first master its language. No worries, a few terms are enough to grasp the concept behind it. Black boxes are called processors, and they exchange chunks of information named flow files through queues that are named connections. Connections. Yeah. Finally, the FlowFile controller is responsible for managing the resources between those components. Here you can see a processor. Processor 1 is connected to processor 1 interacts with processor 2 through a connector. Flow files are inside the connector, and processor, flow file, connector, and connector are inside the controller. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.